Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sell your products on Google and reach millions of potential customers? In this video, I will show you how to set up and optimize your Google Merchant Center account in 2025, step by step. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your listings, this guide has everything you need. Let's get started. Google Merchant Center or GMC is a free platform that lets you upload and manage your products so they appear on Google Shopping, Search, YouTube, and more. It's essential for e-commerce businesses looking to increase sales. Key benefits: more visibility, your products appear on Google Search, Shopping, and Ads. Free and paid listings. You can list products for free or use ads for more reach. Easy integration. Works with Shopify, WooCommerce, and other platforms. Now let's set up your Google Merchant Center account step by step. Step 1. Sign up for Google Merchant Center. Go to merchants dot google.com, then click enter and sign in with your Google account. Click start now, then tell Google about your business. Do you sell products online? No. Do you have a physical store? No. Here's what you can do with Google. Go to search or go to ads. Add your business name or website here, country, and mm, continue. Verify and claim your website. Choose one of these methods like Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, HTML file upload, meta tag recommended for most users. Once verified, Google will connect your website with Merchant Center. Now it's time to add your product so they appear on Google. Method 1. Add products manually. Go to products and add products. Fill in details like products title and description. Use keywords for better search visibility. Products image. Product images like high quality, white background preferred. Price and availability. Match your website. Category and brand. Ensure Google categories it correctly. Click submit and save. Go to products, then feeds and add feeds. Choose a method like Google Sheets, best for small businesses, website crawl if your store is already online. API or XML feed for advanced users and automation. Submit and let Google process your products. To rank higher and sell more, optimize your listings with these pro tips. Use clear SEO friendly titles. Example: wireless Bluetooth headphones, noise cancelling, for 40 hour battery, black. Write detailed keyword-rich descriptions, mention size, features, and benefits. Use high-quality images, at least 800 into 800 pixels with a white background. Update stock and prices regularly. Avoid product disapprovable by keeping data accurate. If you want more sales, you can promote your products with Google shopping ads. Step 1. Link your Google Merchant Center Google Ads. Go to Google Ads, then Tools, then Link Account. Then Google Merchant Center. Click link and approve the request. Now go to Google Ads, then click New Campaign and Shopping. Choose Smart Shopping. Standard shopping or set your budget, bid strategy, and target audience. Launch your campaign and monitor results. Once your products are live, check your diagnostics tab regularly for any issues. Missing product data. Double check feed accuracy. Disapproved products. Ensure your images, titles, and descriptions meet guidelines. Price mismatch. Match product prices with your website. And that's it. Now you know how to set up and optimize your Google Merchant Center account in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.